Good day, traders. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, coming to you from the CME Group trading floor with my comments on stock index futures. Well, we are making all-time new highs in the stock index futures, especially the S&P, around 1680. The cause of it, we're having modest growth in the United States. China might be slowing down a little bit. Europe definitely has their problems, but it's really all been about the Bernanke show. He went in front of Congress for 2 days and he basically said it's a wait and see. We can wait on pulling back on quantitative easing. We can wait on the bond buying of 85 billion or tapering back. Whatever word you want to use to figure out if he's going to be helping or hurting the economy, and the stock market in the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks has been cheering. Now, if you go back just 3 or 4 weeks, he was basically saying, hey, we're getting ready to pull back some of that help for the economy, and the stock market futures didn't like that at all, and we had approximately about a 5% correction. But then the bond market ticked up in yield or down in price so dramatically from those kind of comments that what we saw was he backpedaled, he backstepped. He said, hey, wait a minute, it might not be quite as fast as you think. So what do you have? You have modest growth in the United States. You might have a slowdown in China. China's trying to help. Japan's trying to help their economy. Europe's trying to help their economy. And Bernanke and the Federal Reserve is saying, wait a minute, we might not be pulling out of our help. So we're making all-time new highs. We're in a bull market for 5 years where we just broke out and made new highs this week alone. And so what do we have? The bulls are in control. Looking at the S&P future September contract, around 1680, I would think that the next level would be 1710 and possibly even 1750, depending on how much longer we have this help from Bernanke and the Federal Reserve. Now, if we can't and we fail and it's a 1 day or 1 week wonder, the pullback would be 1630, good support in the September future S&P contract, a close under that for the week or 2 days in a row, and obviously the bulls take command and we could use a correction. Up here at this level, we're up 17% for the year. This is the 5th year in a row that we are moving higher in a bull market of the stock market. But if we need help and we can't taper off some of the quantitative easing, either in a bond buying to keep interest rates low or some kind of stimulus package, then is our economy really standing on its own 2 feet? So we might be getting close to a correction, even though the true wisdom is you go with the flow. The trend's your friend. You keep going with any small pullback. You try to buy the market. For counter trend traders, you're going to want to probably pick a level with resistance and see if it runs out of steam. Remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, is not suitable for everyone. If you'd like some help, please give me a call. Jeff Friedman, RJO Futures, Senior Market Broker at RJO Futures. Thank you.